Okay guys, in today's video I've got a great little Clickbank method for you. It's easy to do, free, can be done from anywhere in the world, and you should be able to make some money as soon as today, depending on if you take action or not on this particular method here. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this, and we're going to get you switched over here and show this right to you here starting right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before, well, stop cheating yourself and reach down there right now below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel because I'm always trying to come out with money-making videos to help you guys bring time and financial freedom more and more into your lives with each and every video. So make sure you do that, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on today's video. Alright, we're going to do a Clickbank method here today, guys, and I've already stepped ahead of this a little bit here to try to make this so this video is not so long and drawn out. And we're going to use this particular site right here. This is a site that we're going to use to post to article method here. It's really easy and simple to do and profitable, I would think, because of this reason right here. If you look at this site right here, if I click on my similar web that you see right here and I scroll up, you'll see that this site right here gets about 3 million visitors, 3.3 million visitors per month. That's why we're going to use this particular article site. We're going to get our articles. We're going to be using an article method here. We're going to get our articles from eZine Articles, and of course we're going to choose a Clickbank product here, and we're going to be using images, and of course our bit.ly site here, of course, so that we can shorten down that nasty old Clickbank link. Okay, all right. So first of all, for this particular method here to show you, I want you to tell you guys that this can be done from anywhere. And by the way, if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's just easy enough to create one. Just come over to clickbank.com and create an account, sign up, get your account nickname, and make sure that you save that so that you can use it for future references and marketing purposes. Alright, so what we're going to do then is you want to come over to the marketplace. Now I typed in, this can be done in any niche. Okay, this method is so easy and simple. It can be done with any niche that you want to on Clickbank, of all the ones you see right here. And I actually typed in the search engine right here, photography. You see it right here. And I chose photography for this method because I like photography and pictures and things like that. But like I say, you can choose whatever niche you want. Alright, so I chose photography, searched by gravity, and I like this particular product right here. Want to shoot video with your camera? You can make $34.51 per sale on this particular product. Alright, so we know what product we want. Come back and we'll get our link here in just a little bit. First of all, I want to come over here and we're going to talk about how we're going to market this here first. Like I said, this site's called bloglovin.com. Alrighty, and you can see it right up here in the address bar. It's bloglovin.com. It's a free site. You just come here. It's free to log in. It's free to post on this site. And like I showed you, they get about 3.3 million visitors a month. So it's a real high trafficked site, which is perfect for what we want. Alright, so you can sign up with your Facebook account. Now I will tell you that I tried to, but it didn't work for me. It may work for you, but so I had to create a local account, which you can do right here as well. Just put your name and email address and create a password. Make sure you save that, and that way you can get logged back in. So it's free to log in, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here on my account. And once you get logged in, it'll bring you over here. If it's, well, it's going to, let's see if it's going to load here. Looks like there it comes. Okay. And as you can see right here, once you get logged in, they've got all kinds of different categories that you can pick from here. Food and drink, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, do-it-yourself, crafts, fitness, family, art, beauty, vloggers, design, and more. And I come over here and I clicked on photography right here, as you can see in this thing. So when I clicked on that, it brings us over here, and you see that there are other articles that people posted having to do with photography. All right, so it fits right in with our product with Clickbank, and so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to come over here, and what you do is you can write an article. As you can see right up here, it says new post. You're going to write an article on this site. Now you can write your own article, or you can do like I'm going to show you here in this method. We're just simply going to go to eZine Articles, which is public domain articles on eZine, and we will take an article from there, and you can make it just quicker that way. Unless you want to write your own, you're fine to do that. All right, so we come over here, and as you see at ezinearticles.com right here, you can come over here. It's ezinearticles.com there. You see that? And then I typed into their search engine videography tips right here, because our product on Clickbank has to do right here. It says want to shoot video with your camera, and if I click on that link, it brings us over here, and you see the sales page for our product. In the example today, it's the complete Frono's Photo 6-hour guide to shooting video, and it's a pretty good product. It teaches people how to shoot good quality videography or videos and things like that for photographers and so on and so forth here. What we're going to do is use that product, and we will close out this right now, and we'll come back here. So like I said, I typed in videography tips. It brings up this particular list of articles right here. There's all kinds of different tips and stuff and so on and so forth. Like here, 6 tips about videography you need to know. You can actually just pick any article you want, and what we're going to do is I like this article right here, 6 tips about videography you need to know, and we will use that. So what we're going to do is come back over here to Blog Lovin' and make sure you get logged in, and what we'll do is I'm going to click on new post, and we'll click on that, and that should bring us over here, and we're going to grab our title right here. It's just this simple. We're just going to copy this title right here, 6 tips about videography that you need to know, and then we'll come back here and we'll just simply post that in right there like that. And then you see here we can put an image in too, which we will do. Also then we're going to put in our article here, and we'll just come back here, and what I'm going to do is simply just copy this particular article right here and come down to here. Let's see here. We will stop right there and copy that right there, and we'll bring that back over to Blog Lovin' here, and we'll just paste that right in there like that. Alright, so then yeah, it gives us some it gives the article in there, and we can go ahead and leave the source in here to give credit back to the article writer. Alright, so then what we'll do is we will add a photo in here. Now I downloaded a photo off of Unsplash, which you can you can get from Unsplash here, and I'll just show you that real quick like here. If we come over to unsplash.com, and that is you can get free photos right here from any here, and or videos as well. So I just typed in here, spell it right here, I keep missing it all the time, and so on and so forth, and then I just downloaded a photo straight out of here. Any photo, you can pick whatever you want. I mean, it can be human pictures, it can be whatever you want, and I downloaded a photo already to my computer. So we will grab that photo, and if we come back here to Blog Lovin', we'll grab that photo and put that up here, and we come to pictures, and if I scroll down here, it's a picture of a girl, really beautiful picture, and you can see that it should upload that photo, and there it is. It's a really good quality photograph there, which you can use in the article. And then what we're going to do then now is actually you can move this photo up. You put your mouse on the photo when it's in there, you get it uploaded. You can see that you can move it down or up, or you can delete it. So we'll just move it up, and if we click on it, it should move it up, and it put it at the top. I just want to move it down. Well, it should let us move it up to the top, but we'll just put it at the top. I thought maybe it would let us move it one paragraph at a time, but I guess it's not. Alrighty guys, I had to straighten that out a little bit. Apologize for that. I had to straighten that out. Our article, and we've got it, our photograph, I've kind of wanted it in between some of the paragraphs, and you can see that I was able to do that there. Alright, so then we've got our article here, and what we need to do now is we want to come back to our product, and we're going to get our link here. So we're going to click on promote, and it brings this up right here. We're going to put in our account nickname. I'll use a tracking tag here of blog lovin'. We'll just add that into it, click generate our hop link, and you see that it creates it. It's got blog lovin' there, and then we will just copy it by clicking that button, and then we're going to come over to bit.ly.com, and then we're going to create a link here, and I'll just paste that Clickbank link in there, and it should create it, and there it did. And we will just copy that, and we will come back over to blog lovin', and we're going to create a link in here for, you can put as many links as you want. We're going to do anchor links here, and we're going to put in, let's see here, we'll just come down here and look for a good place to put it. We'll put it here, knowledge on videography, and you see when you highlight some words, it brings up this little thing right here, and you want to click on the link right there, and then we will just paste in our bit.ly link, click OK, and it should be there. And then also we want to test that bit.ly link out, right? Make sure it goes where we want it to go, which it does. Alright, so we got that working. Just see to make sure that put that in there. There we do. And then we'll come down here and scroll down and put another link down in here, and make another anchor link. Find some good words to put it on, something to do with videography in here. We'll just put it right here on this word videographer right here. Click on link, and that should bring up our link thing here up at the top. You see it right there, and we'll paste in our bit.ly link right there, and then click that, and that should take care of it at that point. And then it's just a matter, at that point we will put down here too, we will add down here, okay, that appears to work there, but I don't like it that these paragraphs are underlined. It's there's something not right about that, but we will go ahead now. So we got it done. We got our article in there, and 6 tips on videography you need to know, and it talks about it. We got a nice photograph in there. We got a couple of links going on in there, and we will go ahead, and we got our bottom link down here, and we will go ahead and post this now. And if you post, as you can see here, it comes down, you can post this to Facebook and or Twitter as well, but we won't do that for this example. And then you want to add some tags in here, and we'll just say videography, photography, spell it right, I'll be in good shape, photography, and you just put a comma, and that'll move them up in, like you see there, just put a comma right by it. And then what else could we put? Video shoot, something like this, something that you can think that people would type, and then you can put looks like as many as you want in there, but just for this example we'll use just 3. And then it's just a matter of clicking on post here, see what happens. Yeah, it looks like it did. Let's try this one right here. Okay, that one works. Okay, I don't know why that these are, it's like our article became a link. I don't know if it's because it's from e-zine or something like that. Which, by the way, if you find they're having problems with that from e-zine articles, you can go over here to this site right here and get articles too. It's super articles right here. You can see it in the address bar, guys. superarticles.com there. You can get free articles from here too, in all kinds of topics and categories here, and just type in the search engine whatever your niche is that you're doing this on, and you can find articles that you can use from here as well. And like I said, unless you want to write the article on your own. So nevertheless, it's in there, but it's just that our link in here doesn't work for some reason, because it's like it's picking our article up as a link itself. But nevertheless, our one down here at the bottom does work, and if they click on that, that does take them over to with our hop link in there in our affiliate ID. Okay, well guys, that's the method I had to show you today, And I hope it wasn't too boring for you with all the things that happened here in this, but I think I got them straightened out anyway. Anyways, if you guys like this particular method on how you can make some pretty good money if you take action, it's just a numbers game again, guys. The more articles you post, the more chances you have to make money with this. All right, it's just like anything in internet marketing. The more you do it, the more chances you have to make money. Alrighty, guys, reach down there if you like this. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business and how you can get your own business set up and online with all the education and tools you need to do it, you want to reach down there below and click the link at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check out what's available for you there. And I'll leave you guys with that. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below. And I'll see you guys here in a few days on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.